Hi children, in this class we have to take a new chapter is quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? All closed four-side figures are called quadrilateral. Okay, it has four sides and also four vertices, and then it has two diagonals. These are having that shape we called quadrilateral. Next, example of quadrilateral: square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. These are example of quadrilateral. We have to see one by one briefly. The first one is square we take. Square has four equal sides, four vertices and two diagonals. The diagonals of a square are equal in length. So we know that in square all sides are equal. So diagonals is also equal in length. For example of square is carom board, chessboard, one face of the dice. We know that the basic shape of dice is square. So one face of the dice is square. Rectangle. A rectangle has four sides and four vertices. Four vertices mean we know that is corner. It has two diagonals and opposites are equal. Opposite sides are equal. For example, mat, blackboard. Next one, rhombus. A rhombus has four equal sides, four vertices and two diagonals. So two diagonals, what are the two diagonals? LN and OM. So that is the diagonals. So we know that four sides and four corners. So for the example is kite and tiles. Okay, so normally we say it is diamond shapes. Yes? Okay. Parallelogram. A parallelogram has four sides and four vertices, and also it has two diagonals. So opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. For example, eraser. Next one is write the names of the sides and diagonals. So we have to write how many sides and diagonals. So the first one is square shapes. So we know that it is four sides. So we have to give the names, give the alphabets A, B, C, D. So how many sides? A, B, one side, and B, C, C, D and D, A. So it is sides. So how many sides? We know that four sides. And diagonals, we know that a line segment, it is connect to only opposite corner. So we have AC and BD. So it is two diagonals. And the next shape is rectangle. So here we have to give the name as W, X, Y, Z. So we have the sides is W, X and X, Y, Y, Z and Z, W. So these are sides, and diagonal is W, Y and X, Z. So two diagonals here also. Third one is parallelogram. So here we have P, Q, R, S. Okay. So now we have to write the sides. So first one is PQ, QR, RS and SP. So it is sides, and diagonal is PR and QS. So we have two diagonals. Next one is rhombus. So we have E, F, G, H. So the sides is EF, FG, GH and finally HE. These are sides. Diagonal is EG and HF. Next one is book exercise. Fill in the blanks. First one, all closed four side figures are called? We have all closed four-side figures. What are they? Square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. Yes, we say that quadrilateral. Second one, a dash has four equal sides and equal diagonals. Four equal sides. So we know that all sides are equal. Where it is? In square. So the answer is a square has four equal sides and equal diagonal also. We know that. Third one, the opposite sides of a dash are equal. Which sides have opposite sides are equal? Yes, it is rectangle. Fourth one, a dash has no sides. Yes, we know that. Circle. Fifth one, diagonals are equal in dash and dash. Which shapes has? Yes, it is square and rectangle. Last part is homework. See that? Write the name of the sides and diagonals. You have to find the sides and also diagonals.